feedback about Life Innovation School.
My name is Vidya. Hi. Hi. My name. I am studying first standard. My school innovation school. I love karate. In my school, I love my teachers.
My second child, Vidanya, is studying play school. In the school, the way of teaching is very good and the school atmosphere also good. Daily they providing books to the students as per the homework is also nice. Interaction between the parents and teachers, seating arrangement in the class and treating the students by teachers is super. Thank you.
Thank you.